Hey people, it's a Sunday evening and as you can see I have like very busy rabbits. This little lady is basically now I have two female rabbits with me. As much as I want to record rabbit videos, it is so difficult, right? So I think right now I'm lucky that my little sister is recording the video, because normally to get my child to record it is like really difficult. So this little girl, she's the longest surviving rabbit. This July will make it one whole year of her being with us, because what happens is with rabbits, you never know, rabbits are, since they are prey animals, they never have any long sicknesses as such. In case they have one bout of diarrhea, next day they are gone. It's as bad as that. But that's what, right now this is this girl rabbit, and the fact that so many rabbits survived, we call this girl the Masi rabbit, because the Masi has been around. She's made sure she's saved the lives of easily around 4 or 5 rabbits till now, and probably not this week, next week sometime maybe. That's what it's. We believe that at least if we are looking after a rabbit, we are saving one animal from being in the slaughterhouse, because here in Hyderabad it is an active business, rabbit pickles and all of that. So that's what this little Masi that I have with us, this rabbit Masi, will ensure that she looks after a cute rabbit, gets her home, and we get a cute little animal to play with. So truly people, rabbits are the best companions to have, and everyone, if they can, should adopt a rabbit. It's so much easier to look after a rabbit than a dog or a cat. And since I've had all the different kind of pets, I can speak from experience. So thanks so much for watching people, and please subscribe.